Today we're going to be talking about taking some classic jump rope songs and transitioning them into music and movement activities for your students. So when I was a little girl, we were really into jump rope games on the yard, and one of the songs we used to sing was Little Sally Walker, and it goes like this. Little Sally Walker walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she jumped in front of you and she said, go girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Go girl, do your thing, do your thing, stop. So when I do that with my students, what I would do is I would actually change the lyrics to their name, and when it was their time to jump in front of their friends, they would have an opportunity to dance. You could also do it like a Soul Train line and have two lines of students lined up facing each other, and the child whose turn it is can dance between their friends till they get to the end of the line. So you could change the words with, let's say, little Bobby Walker walking down the street. He didn't know what to do, so he jumped in front of you. You said, go boy, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Go boy, do your thing, stop. And you could switch out any name that you want, or you could do Little Sally Walker and just keep the words the same and have your students dance in the middle of the circle or through the lines or wherever you are in the yard, and do it that way as well. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.